My name is Donnie Willey with Sunbelt Waterproofing and Restoration. I am a project manager estimator with the company and the champion of Followup. We started using Followup about 4 years ago. Prior to that, we were just using an Excel sheet that everybody was supposed to review, which led to multiple projects being bid by multiple estimators at the same time. Since using Followup, we've only had that app happen one time, and we have seen our close rates increase dramatically over the past couple of years. The biggest thing we've enjoyed using is the proposal generator. It's gotten our consistency of how our proposals look the same across the board for any of our PMs that are sending projects out. It has given us the ability to more effectively track our projects as well as reminders for doing that follow-up to make sure that we're getting projects from bid to contract. I would recommend Followup CRM to other subcontractors as an ability to better track their sales volume and their budgets, so that way they can track from bid, budget to completion of the contract.